Hey everybody, it's Hooch. Just coming at you live. Well, I guess I'm not live. Anyway, I'm out here at this canal, and I've spent some time out here with my son and my wife, and just to look at it. They're actually fishing there sometimes. There's ducks that come out of there. But anyway, it's a beautiful, crazy weather day up here in Northern California. Let me put this on pause. I can show you the canal. So here's the canal. And this is how we send our water from the Sacramento River down to you all down in LA. And this is where it comes from. Northern California. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Anyway, hope you all are having a great day. Love you very much. Please don't forget to check out my other videos. Like, share, subscribe. Right on. Love you guys. Bye.